Did you know that over 5 billion videos are watched on YouTube every single day? 5 billion with a B. There's no question about it. YouTube is where people are at, and this has created an incredible marketing opportunity. Now people have been profiting from YouTube marketing for years. There are ways to really zero in on your target audience and build a following. And while getting started with marketing on YouTube isn't hard, you do need to know the right things to do. And we'd love to share our YouTube marketing secrets with you. To learn more, simply follow the directions on this page.
So it's nothing new that YouTube is a huge source of traffic for your products and services. Video marketing is one of the easiest ways to get highly targeted traffic, but you have to do it right. Now, if you do it wrong and you simply upload a video to YouTube in hopes that it'll get ranked both on YouTube and Google, then you won't be as effective. That may have worked back in 2005, where you could just simply throw a couple backlinks at it, but today is different. The problem is that ranking on YouTube isn't as easy as it was back in 2005 or even 2010. Plus, on top of that, there are tons and tons of different marketing strategies out there. Many of these work and many of these have faded away. So what works and what doesn't? What is a long-term strategy that is going to work for years to come? It's simple. Understanding what keywords that are in demand and how to properly optimize your video before you make it live is what is going to help YouTube know where exactly to categorize your video. And methods have changed, and so has the YouTube's algorithm. And you'll learn the most updated SEO strategies that you must do before you make your YouTube videos live. You will learn the most updated SEO strategies that you must do before you make your YouTube videos live. Announcing the brand new 8-part step-by-step video course. You're going to discover how to optimize your videos for YouTube search engine so that you can outrank your competitors. So in this specific video course, you will get a step-by-step, click-by-click, watch over my shoulder, and learn what you need to do before making your YouTube videos live. So here's a quick videos overview of what's inside this video course. Video number 1 is the introduction. Video number 2, we're going to talk about competitive research. And in other words, how to figure out why YouTube is ranking certain videos at the top. Video number 3, we'll talk about how you can figure out what keyword terms to use and focus on. Video number 4, we'll talk about your title and your description. Video number 5, we'll talk about video file optimization, which is something that most people don't even know about. Video number 6, we'll talk about your thumbnail, why it's important, and how to create professional thumbnails. Video number 7, we'll talk about the video length and why that is important. And of course, on top of that, video number 8, we'll talk about a secret tip to outrank your competitors. Begin optimizing your videos for YouTube the right way. On how to optimize your videos before making your YouTube videos live. So this is video number 1, which is the introduction to YouTube search engine optimization. So I want to first start out by saying the goal is to focus on doing the right amount of keyword research and video file automation before actually uploading any of it to YouTube. So essentially this is all about what most people forget about doing before making their YouTube video live. Because if you think about it, most people think about, okay, what do I do after I upload this video? They don't really think about what they have to do before making it live. So this is not about what you can do afterwards, as that is a totally different focus, but rather before. So besides simple optimization, you really need to know that YouTube ranks the videos that people watch the longest. Meaning, let's say for example that we have a 10-minute video. YouTube looks at that video. They look, yes, at the likes, dislikes, and comments, but they also look at, okay, do people actually watch most of this video? And based on, let's say, 1,000 views, how many of those 1,000 views actually watched either 50% or 100%, or how many minutes total? 1,000 times how many minutes was watched. So they really look at how long people watch the videos as a whole. Meaning the more viewers and the longer that they watch, that will get you ranked up further and further up. So instead of focusing on, spammy tactics, tons of backlinks, and all of that, our goal here is to really focus on the user experience. So what I want to do now is give you a quick overview of what's inside this video course. This is, of course, video number 1. Video number 2 is going to be about competitive research, or in other words, researching your competitors to kind of get a better idea of why YouTube is ranking those videos. Video number 3, we'll talk about highly searched keyword terms and how you can find those for your product or service or whatever you're trying to promote. Video number 4, we'll talk about your title and your description. Video number 5, we'll talk about video file optimization. So we're going to optimize the actual file because each file has essentially information in it. And of course, video number 6, we'll talk about why your thumbnail is important and how to make it professional and good looking. And video number 7, we'll talk about video length and why that matters. We talked briefly about it just now, but I'm going to dive in deeper in that video. And of course, last but not least, I'm going to give you a secret tip on how to outrank your competitors in video number 8. So before we get started, I want to talk about what you need to have in hand. You're definitely going to need your product or service and an idea of the niche that you're targeting. You also need to have a video that is ready to be uploaded. And with that said, let's move on to video number 2.
Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.